Fuse 1 generation printers contain an intake filter and an exhaust filter that keep the air within the print enclosure free of any contaminants that may adversely affect print quality. After extended use, the filters become clogged and cannot be adequately cleaned with a vacuum cleaner. Filter lifetimes and maintenance prompts are tracked by the printer and viewable on the touchscreen. We recommend replacing intake and exhaust filters after 2,400 hours of printing or if cleaning becomes ineffective. In this video, we'll walk you through how to replace both your intake and exhaust filters on your Fuse 1 generation printer. If this video helps you solve your printer's issue, please like the video, and thanks for watching. To start, we will replace the intake filter. To replace the intake filter, tap Maintenance, Printer Checklist, Replace Air Filter on the touchscreen. This turns off the air system and makes it safe to replace the intake filter. Formlabs strongly recommends using the touchscreen prompts as you change filters. This logs the new filter status and highlights when the filter needs cleaning at an appropriate frequency. Open the filter cabinet door on the right side of the printer. The exhaust fan turns off when the filter cabinet door is open. The intake filter is the conical filter on the left side. To remove the intake filter, grip the base of the conical filter. Gently twist the intake filter in a counterclockwise direction to disengage the snap fit tabs. Once the intake filter is disengaged, set it aside for disposal. To install the new intake filter, align the tabs on the collar of the filter with the corresponding grooves on the mount inside the cabinet. Turn the intake filter in a clockwise direction. When finished with your installation, you may close the cabinet door. Once the cabinet door is closed, the printer's air system will turn back on. That said, if you need to replace your exhaust filter, we will do so now. To replace the exhaust filter, again, tap Maintenance, Printer Checklist, and Replace Air Filter on the touchscreen. Again, this turns off the air system and makes it safe to replace the exhaust filter. With the filter cabinet door open, the exhaust filter is located on the right. To start, use the vacuum hose to clean the filter grate of excess powder. Place the hose against the grate and slowly move the hose back and forth until all of the powder is removed. To unclip the retainer and release the exhaust filter, depress the retainer hook at the top of the exhaust filter and disengage it from the pin. Depress the retainer hook at the bottom of the exhaust filter and disengage it from the pin as well. Move the retainer out of the way. Next, remove the exhaust filter by using the fabric pull tabs. Set the filter aside for disposal. Slide the replacement exhaust filter into position. Clip the retainer back into place around the exhaust filter. Make sure both the top and the bottom retainer hooks are securely fastened. Lastly, close the cabinet door. Once the cabinet door is closed, the printer's air system turns back on. We have now finished the repair. Remember to clean the printer's filters and purge the exhaust lines when prompted by the touchscreen for best results. Need help? Contact Formlabs support or a certified service provider for additional support. Did this video help you get printing again? If so, please leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. What video do you want to see next? Leave a comment telling us more.